Hi everyone, I'm Woody and welcome to Bai's Christmas special. With Christmas just around the corner, are you still wondering how to make this holiday extra special? Well, today, I have got a little secret to share. Create your own Christmas magic with the Bai embroidery machine. Look at this scarf with the adorable reindeer embroidery. How cute is that? This is all done using our Bai embroidery machine. From scarves to home decor and Christmas gift wrapping, any festive design you can imagine, our embroidery machine makes it easy to bring it to life. You might be wondering, Woody, I'm a beginner. Will this kind of embroidery be difficult? Don't worry, the Bai embroidery machine is designed for new users. It's easy to use, and even if it's your first time, you can easily create high-quality pieces. Let me show you how simple it is to embroider a Christmas pillow. First, hold your pillowcase on the table. Load your design. Choose your color. Determine the position of the embroidery. Adjust the position of the embroidery. Press the ready. Press the start button. And it's not just pillowcases, scarves, hats, sweet t-shirts, socks, all make perfect Christmas gifts to embroider. Even better, during this Christmas season, we have limited time special offer. Yes, you heard that right. If you already own a Bai embroidery machine, feel free to share in the comments what Christmas creations you plan to make. Share your ideas and let's make this holiday season even more special. Alright friends, that's all for today's Christmas special. Remember, with the Buy Embroidery machine, you can create your very own Christmas magic. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas, and we will see you next time.